Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out the Office section of applications that are available in the Debian Edu 12 or the SkoleLinux. So, the first application is the Atril document viewer. You have seen this Atril document viewer. It is available in many of the Linux distributions. Then the basket notepads is there. So, you can create notes and save in the basket notepad application. So, you can see it here. How to create the notes. So there are some beautiful backgrounds. You can also do research the notes. So when you got a big collection of notes, you can do research. You can find out the different applications, not applications, sorry, all the different notes that you need to find out. Then this is the tip section, so you can read about the tips. We'll just maximize it so you can see it here, how to use it. So this is the welcome part of the welcome section of this basket notes. So you go through that. I think it will have a tree based notes application. So there will be a tree and based on the context, it will arrange the different notes. So the notes will be interconnected based on the data they contain. So there will be a lot of different applications. You can also create tabs. You can see it here. There will be a lot of functionality in these notes. You can also export the notes as a HTML. You can see it here, or as a basket archive. So from one workstation, you can take the notes and you can basically configure the notes to be read or edited from the another workstation also. So in short, I cannot explain you everything because it is not a full application review, but I'm just telling you in short, just making you aware of different kinds of applications that are available in the Debian Edu 12 or the SkoleLinux. Then this is the dictionary. So you must be knowing about this dictionary. It is, I think, Gnome. No, it is except C dictionary. There is also a Gnome dictionary is also there. So basically, what happens is when you search for any word, the meaning of the word, this dictionary will contact online dictionaries and then get the meaning of the word, context of the word from that dictionary, online dictionary, and show you the results in this white space here. G-numeric is there. So G-numeric is a, I think, yeah, small spreadsheet, very light spreadsheet. All the basic functionality of the spreadsheets are available here, and you can use it. So G-numeric is normally found out in very light Linux distros. For example, in NTX, you can find this G-numeric. Very light. Tails OS also you will find G-numeric because it does not contain the full Linux Office suite. It will just have this light Office spreadsheet document to get started. And if user wishes, he can install a full Office suite like Apache Office, OpenOffice, or any other only Office, LibreOffice. You can then install if you want. And here you can see the complete LibreOffice suite is there. But is again here. Now there is this planner. So students can learn how to plan their projects. So your school projects, college projects can be planned here. So basically, the students get to know the project, what is a project, how to start a project, how to end a project, how to execute the project, how to do all things, how to um, do a optimum resource usage, how to plan the task, and create the Gantt charts here. So the students can become a great project manager in their times to come when they will work in the field. So from if you start the students with this project application in the early stages of his education, then you can make him a great project manager. Then VYM is there, view your mind. So let us see. I also don't know what exactly this application is. We can view the documentation. Yes, the concept of VYM application is the main window and its satellites. You can see it here. So nothing. It is to create those mind maps. So if you got any idea in your mind, you can create a mind map. You can see it here. It is just how to, suppose you got some idea about the editor, then you can just read out. You can gather information of different editors. Then you can link it here. You can create some charts here. So that how it, you have to just arrange all the information or any idea that you got in your mind, and then you can just club it together. You can create some flowcharts. So basically it is organizing the information that you got either in your mind, or if you got any information on your workstation that you need to arrange properly. So arranging the things together, it gives you a better view of overall view of the information or data that you got. So it is basically a note editor to arrange the all the information, the ideas in your mind on a white piece of paper. That is the piece of paper, or you can say uh, white workspace. Okay, so I will now close this. So it's very great application tool for the school students to learn. So we have completed the complete Office suite of applications. So I will now stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.